Millions of people are traveling right now, booking hotels, boarding flights, exploring new cities, without realizing that nearly every moment of their journey is being influenced, predicted, or quietly reshaped by AI systems operating behind the scenes. From airport security scans to hotel pricing algorithms to personalized itineraries that shift in real time, the tourism industry is racing toward a future where travel is no longer spontaneous, but engineered. The urgency isn't about embracing AI. It's about understanding how deeply it already guides the way we move across the world. Welcome to AI Unlocked, the channel where we explore artificial intelligence, future tech, and the tools that are changing the world. Today, we're diving into AI in travel and tourism. The travel experience begins long before you pack a suitcase. AI-driven platforms analyze your browsing habits, past trips, budget patterns, and even the time of day you tend to book. They use this to predict your ideal destination, preferred travel dates, and the exact moment you're most likely to purchase. These systems shape what you see, pushing specific deals, highlighting curated itineraries, and guiding your decisions with subtle cues. What once required research now feels instant, but convenience comes at the cost of transparency. The algorithm already knows your destination before you decide it. Virtual assistants have evolved far beyond simple chatbots. Modern AI systems build entire journeys, recommending hotels based on your personality, planning routes based on your walking speed, or adjusting itineraries around predicted weather patterns. They don't just answer questions, they anticipate needs. Travelers see the results as seamless service, but behind the scenes, the AI is constantly recalculating, optimizing, and refining. You're no longer planning a trip, you're co-navigating with a silent partner. Airlines and hotels use complex machine learning models to control pricing, predicting demand with near-clairvoyant accuracy. The system considers hundreds of factors: browsing frequency, competitor behavior, seasonal patterns, and global events. This dynamic pricing can create opportunities, last-minute deals, personalized discounts, but it can also lead to unexpected spikes that feel arbitrary. AI transforms the travel market into a living organism, constantly shifting value in ways humans can't track. Beyond booking, AI is embedded in the physical journey. Airports use facial recognition to streamline boarding. Security systems use pattern detection to identify anomalies in crowds. Traffic sensors feed real-time data to travel apps that reroute drivers instantly. These systems create smoother experiences, shorter waits, and safer environments, but also raise questions about surveillance, data retention, and who controls the digital gateway between countries. And this is where travel takes on a new dimension, because the future isn't just about efficiency, it's about how AI starts shaping what we see, what we avoid, and how we interpret the places we visit. As we move forward, the question becomes whether AI is expanding the world for us, or quietly narrowing it. AI-driven maps and travel apps adapt in real time, recommending restaurants based on your dietary habits, sending alerts when you're near landmarks that match your interests, or guiding you toward hidden spots that align with your social profiles. The city becomes a personalized interface. Every street feels curated. Museums highlight exhibits you'll appreciate. Guided tours shift tone depending on your pace and curiosity. Travel becomes less about discovering the unknown and more about discovering the version of the world the algorithm believes you want. When AI curates your experience, cultural exposure changes. Instead of wandering into local markets or stumbling upon unexpected moments, travelers are directed toward highly rated areas optimized for comfort and safety. The result is a global loop. Tourists see the same places, eat at the same spots, and follow identical digital footprints. Local culture risks being flattened into an algorithmic aesthetic, the world's diversity compressed into predictable patterns. AI-powered translation is one of travel's greatest transformations. Conversations that were once impossible now flow naturally across languages. Travelers negotiate prices, ask for directions, and share stories without barriers. But this convenience also reshapes connection. Cultural nuance is filtered, humor is standardized, and the delicate texture of language becomes simplified. AI bridges gaps, but in doing so, it alters the rhythm of human exchange. Soon, AI will predict global travel trends weeks or months ahead, where tourists will go, which cities will experience overcrowding, and which locations will become the next hidden gems. This forecasting can protect fragile destinations, reduce environmental strain, and create sustainable tourism strategies, but it also gives immense control to those who design the models. A place can rise or fall in popularity based solely on how an AI decides to rank it. Travel is no longer just about movement, it's about optimization. AI-powered hotels adjusting lighting to your circadian rhythm, autonomous shuttles navigating airports, smart cities detecting tourism flows and responding with adaptive services. The journey becomes seamless, personalized, and increasingly invisible. But as AI removes friction, it also removes unpredictability, the very thing that makes travel meaningful. Travel used to be shaped by chance, a wrong turn, a hidden cafe, a conversation with a stranger. But AI is turning the world into a guided experience where every path is calculated and every moment is refined. The question is whether this future expands our sense of adventure or quietly scripts it. If you found this episode insightful, make sure to follow the channel, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cinematic explorations into the technologies shaping our world. And in our next video, we shift from flawless experiences to uncertain outcomes. What happens when AI gets it wrong? A look into the failures, misjudgments, and unexpected consequences that reveal the cracks inside intelligent systems.